Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Aston Martin DBS 770 Ultimate and Superleggera. We'll explore their distinct power outputs, examine the exclusivity of the limited edition 770 Ultimate, and highlight the key design and engineering enhancements that set these two magnificent Grand Tourers apart. Get ready for a detailed look at what makes each model unique. Under the hood, both the DBS 770 Ultimate and Superleggera share Aston Martin's formidable 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12 engine. However, the 770 Ultimate elevates performance with 770 PS, a significant 45 PS more than the Superleggera's 725 PS. Despite the power difference, both Grand Tourers are electronically limited to a thrilling top speed of 211 miles per hour, offering exhilarating acceleration. Visually, the DBS 770 Ultimate distinguishes itself with unique aerodynamic elements, including a redesigned horseshoe bonnet vent and a more aggressive front splitter. Its exclusivity is a major draw, with only 499 examples ever produced worldwide. In contrast, the Superleggera presents a classic, powerful aesthetic, embodying Aston Martin's grand touring philosophy with its muscular lines and commanding road presence. The 770 Ultimate offers a more focused driving experience, benefiting from a 25% increase in front-end lateral stiffness and a solid-mounted steering column for enhanced feedback. The Superleggera, while incredibly capable, leans more towards a luxurious grand touring feel, balancing immense power with supreme comfort. For those looking to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.